Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and I have some new coffee review to share with you today. I literally just came from the store, I saw it, and I had to buy it. So make sure you subscribe for more videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. Today, I'm going to do a review and taste test of this Starbucks coffee. I've been hearing a lot about it. And I saw it at the store and it was on sale. So I said, why not? Let's try it. It is the Starbucks medium roast coffee with golden turmeric. Lately, that seems to be a trend. Coffee with vitamins and minerals and all those good things that are good for you. So I said, why not? Let's try it. This is the coffee. It's a house blend coffee with golden turmeric. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys have seen this around. There's another one with, I guess, just vitamins. So there's like 2 or 3 blends. And other brands have it as well. There's other brands that are making coffee with vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff. We need it anyway, so why not drink it with your coffee? So this is a 9-ounce bag, so kind of small. I paid $7.99, which is about the going rate for Starbucks coffee. It's usually 12 ounces, but we'll give them a pass because they're giving us a little extra in this. It's already ground. I don't know if they sell it whole bean, but this one's already ground. Coffee with golden turmeric, ancient spices with no artificial flavors. I am a fan of turmeric. I do like the spice in food. I've had the golden milk drink before, which I also like. So that's my experience or background with it. And that's kind of what I'm expecting from this. It says, get more from a great cup of coffee from Starbucks. The coffee you love is artfully blended with a delicate combination of golden turmeric and warm spices for even more to feel good about. So this is supposed to make you feel good. Elevate your morning with these soothing flavors that pair wonderfully with balanced house blend. I do like the house blend from Starbucks. So again, that's my background knowledge of it. They do have a drink recipe here, which I'm not going to make today because I don't have the ingredients. But just so you know, it says, enjoy one of our favorite recipes. You pour coffee into your mug, stir in coconut milk, which I'm not a fan of, honey, I like, or desired substitutions. So you don't have to use coconut milk. I would probably use regular milk or even almond milk. Add a splash of vanilla extract and enjoy. For an extra boost, include a spoonful of coconut oil or collagen protein. I have used collagen protein in my coffee, so definitely it's something I would include or add to my cup. But let's get into it. Enough of this chit-chatty reading packages. So it's just your typical Starbucks. It does have the little vacuum seal thing right here, and it has the little I don't know what you call that thing to seal it up or close it up. Coffee grind wise, it smells just like normal coffee. I don't smell anything too out of the ordinary. Oh, ingredients, it does say it has the ground Arabica coffee, ground turmeric, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and black pepper. Interesting. Okay, I think I'm smelling the ginger now. maybe the pepper. Interesting. It does have some like little, you probably can't see it, some like little white specks in there. Can you guys see that? So yeah, I'm gonna make it pour over style according to the directions here. 4 tablespoons of coffee. Oh, that's to brew it cold. Use cold filter water. We're not going to do that. We're going to do it hot. So I'm going to take my 2 tablespoons here. And then I'm going to make one of these because I have almost 2 cups of coffee. So they do have a recipe here to make it cold, and also just a little more. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see what this golden turmeric coffee is all about. Okay. So we're going to bloom it a little bit. I'm not smelling a lot of the spices, so I don't know if it's just my senses are off, or once you actually brew it, it'll come through more, because cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, those are all spices that have kind of strong scents. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's coming through now. Now that we're brewing it, it is definitely coming through. Okay, now that it's brewing, I'm starting to get the turmeric and a bit of the ginger scent. Very, very interesting. I did see another popular, I don't want to call it cheap brand, but less expensive brand of coffee that is coming out with coffee with minerals and different vitamins from Folgers. It looked kind of interesting, so I haven't seen it in stores yet, but if I do see it and I'm able to buy it, I will definitely buy it and maybe do a review for you guys. If you're interested, let me know. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. What type of videos would you like to see more of? I'm trying not to do only Nespresso videos because not everybody has an espresso machine. So I do want to give you guys a variety of coffee methods and coffee types and styles and all that stuff. So yeah, let me know. Leave me a comment. I think this might taste good brewed cold. If you watched my video last week or one of my last videos, I did a video on how to do a flash brew with a pour over. So this might be good to do flash brew for a cold coffee. And it says on the package, they're committed to 100% ethical coffee sourcing in partnership with Conservation International. So that's a good thing. Okay, it's done. So let's give it a taste. I'm a little, not nervous, but a little excited, I guess, to try it. Okay. I do smell the spices, turmeric, the ginger, not really the cinnamon or the pepper, but let's give it a taste. You do taste the spices. You definitely taste the spices. I grew up with my mother making coffee with cinnamon. That's like a popular, I don't know if it's a Mexican thing or Latino thing, but my mother would make coffee and she would put cinnamon sticks when she brewed it. So it had that cinnamony taste. That kind of reminds me of that. But the turmeric and the ginger definitely come through stronger than anything else. It's not bad if you like those type of spices and are you like chai tea. I like chai tea and it has those similar spices in it. So I like it. Is it great? No. But again, this is just black coffee. The way you brew it has a lot to do with it. Maybe if you make it in a drip coffee maker or French press, it might be different. Maybe my measurements are off. I don't know. It's not bad. It's not the greatest. But again, I always try the coffee black first and then I add my half and half because I like creamer in my coffee. So let's try it with some half and half. The black coffee makes the flavors come through really strong. So let's try a little milk. I'm never fully prepared, am I? Okay, so let's give this a little mix with the half and half. Okay. I could see this with some half and half and even sugar. It might make the flavors not as strong. Yeah, I think if you add some creamer, maybe even like it says honey or something to give it a little bit of sweetness, it could be pretty good. It's kind of almost like spiced cider because it has all those spices, so it kind of gives you that. It doesn't taste like coffee, doesn't taste like a strong cup of coffee for sure. The house blend is a medium roast, which is good. I like it, but with all the spices, it takes away from the coffee flavor. So if you're a person that doesn't love the flavor of coffee and likes more of the spices, then try this. If you're a person, like I know my boyfriend would hate this because he loves the flavor of just plain coffee. He doesn't even like really flavored coffees or flavoring in his coffee. So this for sure would not be something he likes. It's okay. I don't think you drink this because you love the coffee. You drink this because you like the benefits of the spices, because everyone knows turmeric, cinnamon, ginger are all spices that are supposed to be good for you. I'm not sure what the properties are right off the top of my head, but there is some good benefits of drinking things or taking vitamins with these spices in it. So give it a try. If you're curious, try it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's not something that I'm going to reach for all the time and drink, I don't think. But if I'm in the mood, extra cold day, and I want something kind of warm me up and give me that feel of fall, I guess. But actually, I'm a little disappointed. I've been a little disappointed in my last couple things I reviewed with coffee. So, but again, that's why we do these videos, do these reviews and tastings to let you guys know what we think, and then you can make up your mind if you want to try it or not. So let me know if you have tried this coffee or if you are interested in trying it. And yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, helps our video grow, and share it with your friends and family. If they love coffee and you think they would like these videos, go ahead and share it. It costs you nothing to share and help me out, which I really truly appreciate. Make sure you're subscribed for that giveaway that's coming up. I really want to do it hopefully by the end of the year. I really don't want to keep that Nespresso here in my house for much longer. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications, and that's it. We'll see you guys next week.